Come straight.
Oh.
Where did it go? Do it again.
Okay, let's dig a
¿Qué
hole
estoy
underneath.
haciendo?
Go. There you go. There you go.
Wanda.
Let's count to 10. Where is that? Let's get Rana. Let's see if Rana can find your feet. Leave them there, okay? Don't move them. We're going to let Rana find them. Rana! Come here!
What?
Don't wiggle your toes. Where's Annie's legs?
Under.
Ta-da!
Again. Papa.
That was fun, huh?
Again.
Do you think we should do that when we go to the beach, Adele?
Okay.
Lorana would sit, every time we'd go to the beach, she would sit like this. With her legs up. Huh, Stephanie. Huh, good girl.
Okie dokie.